Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed these new lock here that I purchased off of Amazon. And the ones I got were the 24 inches. Stay tuned and I hope that you enjoy watching. So I purchased this hair from the Leeven store on Amazon. So it's been a little while since I purchased my hair, so I had to go back to their site to see if they had any updates. And they actually have 7 packs. So I already went ahead and I did the illusion part. It's the first time I'm trying this method. I must say, I really like it. I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting these new locks in. So let's see how this goes. So some of them might be a little bit harder to open, but if you see the little holes, you can use your crochet hook and just tuck it through the hole, close it, and then I just stretch it out like that. There we go.
Like a new style, you feel brand new. That's how I'm feeling right now. Okay. I only have 2 strands left over, and I had 1 left over from the first pack, so I have a total of 4 packs left. So in the back end, I'm just gonna be feeling for the outline pretty much. Once I get the outline done, I'm gonna go ahead and just drop them all over just to fill that gap in. This is how far I've gotten with 4 packs.
this is the end result for my hair, guys. I'm really loving it. I look forward to doing a lot of styles with it actually, because this hair is very versatile. It has a little bit of weight on it just because my scalp is freshly done and my scalp's a little bit tender because I'm very tender headed. But besides that, I love this. I am in love with this hair. So it's the new lock from Leeven hair. Purchased it off of Amazon. If you really enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Because when you do, it lets your girl know what kind of videos you like and enjoy watching, okay?